It is known from past experience that in a certain plant, there are on the average 4 industrial accidents per month. Find probability that in a given year, there will be less than 4 accidents. See, there was nothing information given that which model that this problem belongs to. By basing on the content what is given, we need to identify the word industrial accidents. The word industrial accidents, it is a negative kind of word, so that means this problem might belong to the Poisson distribution problem. So that is one case. How do we identify whether a problem belongs to binomial, Poisson, or normal distribution problems? Now let's see here. From the past experience in a certain plant, there are on the average 4 industrial accidents per month. That means we don't know how many number of people we are working in a particular company. That means there are n number of people working, uncountable set of number of people are working, out of which there are number of accidents which are being happening are only 4. So the probability of success is very less here. So what it is given to us here, p value is given to us. Okay, now find probability that in a given year there will be less than 4 accidents. Now let's see what is the information given which is required to substitute in our formula. Now what do you mean by mean here? Mean is nothing but our lambda. Okay, now lambda is given as how much here? It is given as 4. Now let us substitute in the given formula. What is the formula of Poisson distribution here? P of x is equal to e power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial. So that is P of x is equal to e power minus lambda into lambda power x whole divided by x where x is equal to 0, 1, 2, dot dot dot. Okay, this is the expression. Now let us substitute lambda value in the given formula. So what is that here? Now what is e power lambda value? That is e power minus 4 into 4 power x by x factorial. This is the formula. Now, what they're asking us to find here, there will be less than 4 accidents. There will be less than 4 accidents. So that less than 4 means what? What are they asking us to find out? P of x less than 4. Let's take x as number of industrial accidents per month. Then e power, so they are asking us to find out what is the probability that x is less than 4. X less than 4 means what? There may happen, there may be an accident or there may not be accident in the, that means accidents per month, or we can have 1 accident per month, or we can have 2 accidents per month, and we may also have 3 industrial accidents per month. Since he was saying that x less than 4, we do take the values from 0 to 3. If it is less than or equal to 4, then we have expression of 4 also. Then what is the formula that we substitute over here? The same formula, plus let me first substitute this formula for 4 times so that it would be very easy for us to substitute the values. Now 4 times the expression out of which, now what is x here? X is probability of success, right? Now x is equal to first time, what is that? P of 0 means I need to substitute 4 power 0 whole divided by 0 factorial. Next, second expression is e power minus 4 into 4 power 1 by 1 factorial. Next is e power minus 4 into 4 square by 2 factorial, and the last one is e power minus, that means since maximum is 3, I'll be taking 3 factorial here. Okay, so these are the values which I've already substituted. Now out of which, see here, in all the expressions, e power minus 4 is common. Yes or no? So I'll take e power minus 4 as common. Now I'll take the commonality of all these things. Then what happens here? Into, now first expression is 4 power 0. Something power 0 is nothing but 1. 1 divided by 0 factorial. 0 factorial is also so 1 by 1 becomes 1 plus next 4 power 1. 4 power 1 is nothing but 4 divided by 1 factorial is 1. So the answer is 4 plus next 4 square. 4 square is 16. 16 divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial is nothing but 2. By 2 is 8 plus 4 cube. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 64 divided by 3 factorial. That means 6. 64 divided by 6. Then that comes to 10.6. Now that is equal to, now what is the value of e power minus 4? Once we take the scientific calculators, we can find out this answer. And the e power minus 4 value is 0.0183. 0.0183. Very good. Into, now what is this? Let us add these values which are there in the brackets. Okay, 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 plus 10 is 23. 23.6 is the answer. So our answer is 0.0183 into 23.6. That means 0.4318. 43188. That means approximately equals to 19. That means what is the answer for this problem? I got 0.4319. That means 43.19%. The probability that in a given there will be less than 4 industrial accidents. That means they may have or they may not have a accident, or they might have only 1 industrial accident, or 2 accidents per year, or 3 accidents per year, and altogether which are less than 4 accidents, is there is a chance that 43.19%. That means the rest is 4 or more than 4 industrial accidents per year.